Hey guys, I want to walk you through really quickly how to use our reservation calendar for the department laptop carts. I have sent you a link to this document where you can find all of the calendar connections in order to reserve your carts. I would suggest that you create a shortcut on your desktop so that you don't have to go back to email and dig through trying to find that. So if you'll just click on the lock next to the address and drag it over to your desktop, it will create you a shortcut link that you can access quickly. Now, I have created a reservation calendar for each one of our carts, including the old Dell cart and the lab for the department. The only thing that you need to do to make a reservation is choose the cart that you want, come to where it says reserve here, go to that website, and then you find the slot that you want to reserve for, the time slots. I'm going to scroll over for a couple of weeks because the first 2 weeks for this particular cart have already been reserved. But when I get to this week of September the 1st, you can see that there is one blue bar and then 4 gray bars. The blue bar means that this cart has already been checked out. You can see it's checked out in my name. The gray bars mean that the cart is available and you can check it out to use in your classroom. So you would just need to click on it and then click save. You don't even have to change anything on this screen. It will reserve the cart in your name because you're logged in to your school Google account. And then once you click save, it will then remove that gray bar and leave it blank. It'll take a couple seconds, but it will pop back up with this blue bar. Now, the other link on our document is a locate cart link. So if you have the cart one day and it happened to not make its way back to my office and you need to track down where it is so that you can use it, if you'll click on that locate cart link, then it will bring you to a calendar that shows you where the cart has been used every day, who has it checked out on any given day. So right now they're all checked out under my name because I have put in all of the testing dates on here. As you start adding your names, then it will say cart number 20 Sarah Reed, cart number 25 Katie Adams, or whoever has it checked out. Okay? I'll be happy to come and walk you through this one-on-one if you need some help, but I did want to at least give you a heads up on, I think, probably an easier way to reserve our carts.